What's up, Shade Gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shantae Shade. You can call me Shani if you prefer. To my ride or dies, thank you so much for tuning into this video. And if you are new, I want to thank you also for tuning in. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video. Also, hit that notification bell button so you can get notifications for when I upload, because you don't want to miss it. Today, I am going to be giving you guys a wig review. Excuse the shirt. I know you like this shirt, looks real familiar, sis. But that's because I've been doing wig reviews all day long. So yeah, I ain't changed my shirt. I ain't changed my makeup, no nothing, girl. Cause I just been wanting to get them out. Like, I just want to get them done. You know, for 2021, I'm trying to come hard. So I just been working. Getting right into it, I am going to be reviewing this Vivica Fox hair collection. Cap Do Instant Celebrity Style wig. This is the packaging. This is the packaging that it comes in. I thought that this would be really, really interesting to do because, oh, I got an eyelash stuck to this box. I thought this wig would be interesting to do because, you know, everybody has been rocking the headband wig. So I figured like this is kind of something similar to that, but for girls who feel like they don't really like rocking headbands. I know some girls are like, I don't rock headbands because my head is too long and it looks weird, or, you know, I'm just not a headband chick. Whatever the case may be, why not have an alternative to the lazy girl method? So opening, I cannot talk today, y'all. Forgive me. Please forgive me. It's like, girl, let it go. Just let it go. Okay, so what came with this wig was these diamond cubics styling accessories. This is what they look like. Like the little diamond studs, like the little, let me take one out. Like the little fake diamond studs that you would put on like your clothes or whatever. That's what these are. I wonder why these are in the package. Was this an accident? Did somebody accidentally put these in my package? I mean, I ain't complaining. So I'm gonna take the stock card off so we can check out what's going on here. So this is what the stock card looks like. Stock card, stock card, stock card. Oh, okay. Style your own cap with cubics. The glamour look. Pulled back into a ponytail is the sporty trend. Oh, okay. So they gave me these little rhinestones to put on the front of the cap if I want to. Right. You see, right here. To put on the cap if I want to kind of spruce up the cap a little bit. They're saying that I can put, oh, that's cute. That's really thoughtful that they would do that. All right. Well, I probably won't be using those though. Inside of the cap, it's a cap. I mean, it's nothing else to really say. It's a cap. This is the inside. I like the fact that on the inside where the hair is, they have this little soft mesh material, so the hair won't rub up against your nape, and it won't cause any irritation or any possible, you know, tugging or tangling or pulling on the back of your hair. So I do like that. The cap is really flimsy though, so I don't know. I mean, but then again, you know, it might work. It has a little strap here in the back so you can loosen it or tighten it. I got the hair in a style wavy because I just like wavy hair. Combing my fingers through this hair, it's really, really soft. I really like it, and this is thick. Like, this is really thick. Like, I didn't expect it to be this thick, but it's really thick. It's a lot of hair at the bottom. Let me see how much shedding I get. So this is how much shedding I've gotten so far, which is not a whole lot, but all right. So I'm gonna put this wig on right now to see what it looks like. Like, if you are an avid gym goer, this could definitely be worn to the gym. This is cute. I feel like they could have stopped it a little bit further up because, or maybe I just need to turn it. Because I feel like, yeah, I feel like they could have stopped it a little further up. Let me see. I'm going to pull the hair towards the front. Keep kind of combing it out with my fingers. Woo! Child, when I talk about shedding, as I'm combing my fingers through it, it is just coming out. But again, this is synthetic, so can't expect too much. Okay, so this is what she is looking like. Let me move back. No, I don't feel like it's very secure, but it's cute for on the go. Like, I would definitely pop this on if I want to go to the beauty supply store, or if I want to go to the grocery store. I would definitely pop this on for sure. No, it's cute though. It really is cute. I'm glad that I got the wavy because they have it in straight. I'm glad that I got the wavy because I feel like the wavy might have come out a little bit more full than the straight might have. You throw on some lip gloss and you just go, girl. Like, this is cute. This is cute for like a real quick coffee run to Starbucks, you know. I wonder how it would look with some big hoop earrings. Like, if I was to, I'm gonna pull it back in a ponytail. It looks cute with my studs in a ponytail, honestly. Let's see. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail, and then I'm gonna go and get some big hoop earrings because I want to see how it's gonna look. Don't you hate when your hair gets stuck on your earring or in your lip gloss? That's so irritating. I feel like this is really pretty. Let's see some specs on this. So I have this in a CD braid style, and it's in a 1B. I think the CD braid style is like basically the style of the curls and everything. It says celebrity undercover look, can be pulled back into a ponytail, great for quick runs and working out. Just like I said, everyday style, protects natural hair. It can be curled. It says do not go above 392. It can be curled between 356 and 392 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, I think I paid between $16 and $20 for this wig. So very, very, very affordable. I will not be placing these studs on my cap. They just give me grandma vibes. No offense to anybody who actually likes the studs, but nah. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find a way to maybe secure this wig on, because I really do feel like it could just come off. It won't come off like in the wind. It's not that light, but I just like for my wigs to be secure. You know, anything happens, I don't want my wig coming off, period. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to secure this wig down. I think bobby pins would be kind of difficult. So yeah, I don't know how I would secure this wig down. Maybe add an elastic band on the inside from ear to ear. That just might help keep it down. But yeah, look at that. Just pop this baby on and go. I love it. I love it. I love how easy and simple it is. It's just as easy and simple as a headband wig. So yeah, this is just another alternative to the girls out there who are like, no, I'm not feeling a headband wig, but I want something easy that I can throw on quick. This is it. This also comes in a straight style, like I said before, and I'll link the companies down below that are currently selling this unit. Tell me what you think about this wig down in the comment box below. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video, and make sure you hit those notification bells so you can get notifications for when I upload, y'all. Okay, support your girl. It's free, right? I always say that. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Don't sue me if the next video I still got this shirt on, because I'm on the grind. Okay, I'm on the grind. I got like 6 more wigs to do, so I don't know if I'm gonna be changing my shirt. I don't know, but I'll talk to y'all later. All right, y'all have a good one, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.